Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find your Facebook memories. Alright, so I'm here on my Facebook profile right now, and you want to head over to Home, and you're going to get to your home feed and everything, your news feed. And then on the left hand side, you want to head down to Explore and you want to click on See More. Now, you want to scroll down. It might be in a different order, but you want to basically scroll down until you see Memories. You want to click on that. And it says here, we hope you enjoy looking back on your memories on Facebook, from the most recent memories to those long ago. It says here some memories from 2007 to 2019. So as you can see here, this is a friendship memories thing. And then it's going to say here, on this day 4 years ago, my business partner AURET did this post. We did this post on our fan page. It looks like I didn't do any posts on this day any years ago. So I'm just going to scroll through. And it also shows like if you were mentioned in other posts on this day in the past. And it even shows like, okay, on this day in 2012, I added someone and they posted on my wall. And it even shows the friends that I made, that I accepted, like on this day 2 years ago and even 7 years ago. So that's basically where you go to find your Facebook memories from the past, and you'll find posts that on this particular day that you did, or if your friends did, or if you were tagged, or if you made a friend on this day years ago. And the thing is, it's only going to show you for this day. Like, it's February 9th right now. It's not showing me February 8th or February 10th. It's only showing me for this day. So that is it. That is how you find your Facebook memories. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.